Did you know your electric car can completely shut down, even if the main battery is full? That's right. EVs rely on a small 12-volt battery, just like gas cars, to power critical systems like door locks, computers, and even the startup process. If this tiny battery dies, your EV might not even start or allow charging, even with a fully charged high-voltage pack. The fix? A simple jump start or battery replacement. But if you're stuck, it's a real headache.